Okay, this video is going to be a little bit jumpy around, so to give you an idea of what it looks like to tow a camp trailer using the stock Tacoma mirrors, and why I am going to be upgrading to towing mirrors. So here I got my Jayco 174, 175 bunkhouse model. It is 7 feet 1 inch with width on the front end, and approximately 7 feet and 5 inches when taking account the awning. So, just so we all get a baseline of how big the stock mirrors are. Okay, so from the window to the outside or the inside of the mirror is I'm roughly about 3 inches. And then to the outside of the mirror looks like roughly 11 inches. And from bottom to the side, about 9 inches total of mirror on width. And at the absolute max, I've got 7 inches. Okay, so now here we are in the side of the cab of my truck. And that's your view from here. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you've got only about half your driver's side mirror. Looking at it from standard seating position, and then we come over here, and we'll go ahead and zoom in again, and about half that. As you can see, if there was a car or something, I was trying to back this in at present, we wouldn't be able to see anything. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to the mirrors. So I'm going to go ahead and install the mirrors, and then we'll let you see what it looks like with those on. Okay, so I've got the mirrors fully installed now. There's the passenger side mirror, how I would have it set up to drive. So you can see that garbage can in full plain view. And then if we come over here to the other mirror, you can make out the edge of that military truck tire. So when I go ahead and fold this down, go ahead and readjust that mirror for you. The military truck tire disappears. Okay, now as for vibration and anything, I'm not seeing a lot of vibration in it. So you guys can tell from your own pickups whether or not this has got more vibration than what you've already got. So go ahead and let you take from the front. Okay, so since this is the TRD off-road, it does have the integrated turn signals. So I went ahead and ordered the mirrors that had the turn signals in them. I don't have the blind spot monitoring package. That would be the next tier up from these. I think these are running anywhere from $230 to $250, depending on which website you get them from. They are the only, there's towing mirrors available for the Tacoma, and there's the brand. They're Trail Ridge. Once again, I just barely got these installed, so we'll see how they run on the road. I may take some video of this running down the road. I gotta go to the parts store and get some clips, but it's worth installing yourself. You can install them for $10 worth of extra stuff on Amazon. Okay, so this is what they look like running down the road. So, you know, as you can see, there's a little bit of a jiggle in there. Not much. Of course, you do got to take into account that while I'm holding on to this camera while I'm driving down the road. So, anyway, next we'll go ahead and we'll take some video showing the measurements on these things. Okay, so just for reference, I've gone ahead and we got the tape measure on here. And now from the outside of the window glass to the inside of the towing mirror is 5 inches. And then you come out, and then in the folded down position, it is 15 inches wide on the width of the mirror. And the mirror itself is about 10.5 inches wide by 8 inches tall. And if we go through, flip this out real quick. Now we go from the outside of the window glass, the inside of the mirror glass is about 1 foot, and then about 19.5 inches on the outside. So that gives you a considerably wider stance for your trailer towing. Okay, so just to wrap this up, I took the Tacoma out for a drive. You get way better visibility with the new mirrors. There is definitely jiggle going on in these mirrors compared to your stock mirrors. If you've ever driven any kind of military trucks, Humvees, Deuce and a Halves, etc., it's got really similar jiggle to what you're going to see in one of those things, mirrors. So you have essentially, you've got 3 options for the Gen 3 Tacomas. So your 2016, 17, 18, 19, and probably 20 model years, I'm going to guess. Option 1 is black. Looks just like these ones that I've now got mounted on my truck. There's no blind spot monitoring or anything else in there. They're around about 200 and some change, 215 some change. The ones that I've got mounted on my truck do not have blind spot monitoring. They've got the turn signal flashers in there, chromed, whether you like it or not. They're running between 235 to 250 depending on where you find them. And option number 3 is basically the same mirror, same brand, would be around the $285 to $300 mark depending on where you find them. And they're running with the turn signals and the blind spot monitoring devices in them. So I do highly recommend these things. I wouldn't go out and waste your money on the clip-on towing mirrors. I got a set of clip-on towing mirrors from Walmart, and they jiggled so bad that they were useless. They were sort of helpful when backing in, but once you're on the roadway where you really need them to be able to see traffic, they're just worthless. So I would highly recommend these mirrors. I think they're totally worth doing. So good luck.